This Equitas Realty property video is presented by Carusone. This is a unique plot of land in the heavily sought-after corridor of Malta's quickly growing commercial sector. Featuring 100 feet of road frontage and 2 large workshop or garage spaces and a clean, functioning heated trailer, that can be converted to a construction office for a contractor to build a store. Clearing the lot for future use is also a great option for the right buyer. The daily traffic count is 11,359. Call to set up a viewing or to request more information. For more information, review the details below.